Imagine you have just landed an exciting name, image, and likeness deal, a fantastic opportunity to build your brand. You have signed the paperwork, shaken hands, and you are ready to go. But what happens if something goes wrong or if there is a disagreement down the road? How can you make sure that agreement really stands strong for you? The most effective way to protect your name, image, and likeness rights through your agreements is by carefully understanding and negotiating the governing law and jurisdiction clauses within every contract you sign. These specific sections determine which state's laws will apply to your contract and where any disputes would be resolved, offering you a crucial layer of security. Every state has its own set of laws, and this includes varying approaches to name, image, and likeness regulations and contract enforcement. By specifying a governing law, you are essentially choosing the rulebook that everyone involved in the deal must play by. This prevents uncertainty and helps avoid a situation where you might find yourself needing to resolve a dispute under the laws of a distant state that are less favorable to you or are simply unfamiliar. Before you even look at a contract, get familiar with your home state's name, image, and likeness laws. Understand what protections they offer and what the limitations are. This knowledge gives you a solid baseline for what you should expect and look for in any agreement. When you receive a contract, immediately locate the section titled Governing Law or Applicable Law. This clause will explicitly state which state's laws will govern the agreement. Ideally, you want this to be a state whose laws you understand and that are favorable to student-athletes, often your home state or the state where you are currently a student. Equally important is the jurisdiction or venue clause. This specifies the exact court or geographic location where any legal disputes would be heard. For instance, it might say any disputes arising hereunder shall be resolved in the courts of your home state and county. Aim for a jurisdiction that is convenient and easily accessible for you, should a dispute arise, as traveling across the country for a court case is expensive and very disruptive. Do not be afraid to discuss these clauses with the other party. If a contract proposes governing law or jurisdiction in a state that is completely unfamiliar or inconvenient, you can absolutely request to change it. This is a common negotiation point, especially for a student-athlete who might be dealing with a company based far away. The single most crucial step is to have a trusted legal professional review every single contract before you sign it. They can identify any potential red flags in these clauses and advise you on the best course of action, ensuring your interests are fully protected. This professional advice is truly invaluable. These clauses are sometimes referred to by legal professionals as choice of law and forum selection provisions. A well-chosen choice of law provision can protect you by ensuring that your contract benefits from specific state laws designed to protect individuals or consumers, rather than falling under less protective commercial statutes. Similarly, a smart forum selection clause ensures that any legal proceedings are held in a place where you have easier access to legal representation and where the process is less burdensome for you. This proactive approach saves you time, money, and significant stress in the long run. By being proactive about understanding and negotiating the governing law and jurisdiction in your name, image, and likeness contracts, you are essentially creating your own protective shield. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that if any issues arise, the rules and the playing field are clear and fair for you. It empowers you to maintain control over your name, image, and likeness journey, allowing you to focus on your athletic and academic pursuits with confidence, rather than worrying about unforeseen legal battles.